Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagon Tours. We're outside the Ideal Premium Hotel. Let me know if you stayed here. Is it premium? Looks very nice, doesn't it? Got a Tui Blue coming up, it looks like. Oh man, the lorry's going to want to run me over. Gosh, already got arid to do it. But I'm not going to concentrate on that side, we're concentrating on this side. So, Tui Blue. We did a video in Tui Blue in Zante in Sillavi. For the people from Sillavi who watched our videos, I'm going to say it wrong just for you, so Tisvili. For the Grand Azur. Let me know if you stayed in this one, if you stayed in many of the Tui Blues, and, you know, which one, are they all the same? Because the one in Zante had like, what, 3 pools? I'm talking about the Tui Blue, what was it? Oh, I forget the name. I forget the name. There isn't much to really see on this side now, except for hotels. But we keep going nonetheless. So yeah, let me know if the Tui Blues are all different. The staff seemed really attentive. We wasn't staying there. We walked into, we thought they just had a bar, so we thought we'd go and buy a beer. And the lady said to me, €5. I had a €20 note, so she had to get changed. She had to get change. And turns out you can't buy beers there. So I don't know if I had a £5, would she have just taken the money and pocketed it? I hope to think that she wouldn't have done that. And that she would have, I don't know. Because obviously, you can't buy a beer in there. So it's a blue spa. Got the basketball and football courts on there. Yeah, I don't think she would have. I think she was trying to pocket the money, if I'm honest, because, like I said, you can give money. It's an all-inclusive resort. So the manager came out. It's MGM outlet. So yeah, the manager came out, gave us 2 free beers. Said to us, don't worry about it. Asked him if I could record. Yep. So I did a nice 360 recording in there, which you can see on our, maybe it's either Zante or Zakynthos playlist. That's the Tui Blue. I think it's Caraval. Got the Sunrise Hotel over there. What's it like if you stay down this area? What's it like? It seems to be like a lot of hotels and shops and the bars around here. Has it like got some sort of nightlife? Let me know in the comments. Because we've only stayed on the other side. We never stayed up this end. I've walked the promenade. There's plenty of places for you to get a drink on the promenade. It just looks like a load of shops. It's always 3 or 4 to a bike here though. Man, it really does remind me of Greece. It really does remind me of Greece, where you've got whole families on one motorbike. What's that one? So looks like the lady's broken down here. Oof, plenty of flies here. What's going on here? So, okay, there's a bar over there. And this how you shop. I thought that was a lady. Turns out it's a man. But you can tell nowadays, eh? Men with bodies of women. So yeah guys, if you can like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification button, ring the notification bell, and yeah, so you can stay up to date with all of our videos. Marmaris is one of our favourite places. Zante is one of our favourites. We're going to visit a lot of places next year. Like, that's going to be our biggest year ever for the channel. Might not be able to ever top it for destinations or anything like that. Might not be able to. But we'll let you know our plans in a live stream. Might do it from here actually for next year. So this will be out already. If we've done the live already, then this video will be out after the live. So check back on our live streams and you'll be able to see what our plans are for next year. And I want to do a couple of meet and greets as well. It seems a lot of people are watching our videos, so why not do a meet and greet? Let's do it where it's £1 a pint, eh? So we can just get everyone a beer. Say thank you for the 5,000, because by the time we do the meet and greet, we should be way past the 5,000. So, what's that? The Passa Beach Hotel. Got the pop-in fun bar. So there is a few bars then. There is a few bars. Like I said, I'll show you the other side with me on the way back. So you got the pop-in here. It's getting all the balloons ready.
Okay.
Yeah, you?
Good.
Yeah.
YouTuber.
Yeah, YouTuber. Yeah.
Our restaurant.
You want me to serve for you? I'm from England.
England. What
Yeah,
about?
near Swindon. Swindon.
Sweden.
Yeah.
Welcome to paradise, brother.
Thank you.
Once you pop in, you never pop out. Where do you stay?
All the way down there. So,
Which one? That's
Amira.
here.
Yeah. It's alright.
First time.
Nah, second time. We came earlier in the year, and then second time coming back.
You like it?
Yeah, it's lovely. And the heat, I love the sun. Other parts in Europe's a bit colder.
Have one drink on that.
I have to keep going.
You
But
sure?
I've got to come backwards, so we're coming,
No,
okay?
yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Anytime. See you
Bye. Bye. So yeah, pop in. Lovely people. Got the tobacconist next door. It's lovely doing this job. Everyone is very happy to see you out here. I guess I mean it's like Scotland. Kevin, he was in Zante and he went to film a person's menu, and the lady came out. No, don't film. And he's oh okay. So he stopped filming them obviously. But why would you not want someone to promote your business for absolutely free? Why would you not want that? I mean, it's a menu. He was filming inside, he was filming, you know. Why would you think to stop a person who's going to help promote your business? Over here, it's nothing but love. Everybody wants for you to record their business, help promote their business. Everybody wants it. Like I said, some places, it's a bit strange. I mean, I do understand Zante. There's been well, maybe she's still out there, but there's a YouTuber, TikToker, whatever she is. And she's been helping destroy businesses by giving them bad reviews. I mean, come on. It's difficult as it is nowadays to run a business. Okay, if you had bad food and you didn't like it, chat with them. They will happily rectify your meal if there was something wrong. There just seems to be some people that just want all this attention for giving negative stuff all the time. That's the prime beach in there, it goes all the way out to the beach. You can actually see the beach all the way through it. So yeah, I'm not really into going to places and doing. Like I said, if there's something wrong with my food, I'll just tell them. I'll let them know. They can rectify it. They can rectify my food. I can let you know if it doesn't taste nice. 100% I'd say if it didn't taste nice. But anyway, let's move on. So we got Mr. Muscle running. Golden Rock. beach hotel. Very grand. Very, very grand. Look at that building. Let me know if you ever stayed there. Look, what is that? 5-star. Whew. But stars mean nothing. Stars means facilities. The rooms could be dated, it could be anything, but I'm not saying that's what this is. But yeah, let me know if you ever stayed here. Looks very nice. Jet 2, obviously. I think I say that one resort in Tenerife before, and Jet 2 had brought. Basically, what they do is they buy out rooms for the season, and basically, if there's no one in the room, then they just pay the hotel. But the hotel doesn't make any money on food and stuff like that. So, in reality, the hotel should be doing all their sales, but you know, when someone comes along and says, "Here, mate, here's a load of money. We're taking 20 rooms off you, and we'll send the people," you're gonna say, "Yeah." So I fully understand why. Look at this house. Look at that. Lovely, wasn't it? Right there, look. You've got the pirate boat going past. Sea right on your backside. How nice is that? To be living right there. It says Flamingo. Flamingo Hotel. So I found out like the average flat, bedsit, whatever you want to call it, to rent out here, it's around about £600 a month, which is really good. I think that's really cheap. But then I found out the average wage of one of these workers, 400. Hello. You want to what? Photo, okay. Andrew, come on. No. Grumpy. Cheers, guys.
Thank you.
So yeah, €400 for the average worker. I mean, they stay in the hotels. That's per month as well. €400 per month. Oh wow. Obviously, they work 7 days per week, taking home €400. That is very, very low money. Especially, it seems like a beer now, in most places, £3. Well, can be £3. Can be more expensive. The hotel, I paid basically £400. And I only stayed for 4 nights. And you think they're only going to pay. I just paid one person's full month of money. That's crazy. Hotel Tropical, 4-star. So yeah, if you're ever out and you're having a bit of a downtime and you think the food's rubbish or you think you ain't getting good service, just be a bit more friendly, be nice. I'm sure the people would love to help you and rectify any issues you have. And a little tip for them goes a really long way. One guy was telling me he couldn't believe it. Someone tipped him £10. He thought, okay, they take it down to exchange, see how much it's worth. And he was like, wow, you got 500, just over 500 Turkish lira. He couldn't believe it. He said it made him so happy. What's going on here then? What people are living in this one. It's changed. But yeah, he was really happy. So I'm going to make sure I bless a few people before I leave, because they work hard. Can't do enough for you. So we're heading down towards the beach now. Up there, a few more beer bars, a few more bars, shops. What we got here? Very nice. I think it's a nice pool area as well, but everyone's going to be at the beach because It's on the beach. The hotel is on the beach, so. What's it say? Marmaris? Oh, Marmaris? I am terrible with reading, guys. I don't know if you've noticed. Terrible even just reading English. Yeah, nice boutique hotel. Obviously, correct me if I get things wrong because I know you'd love to correct me. Very nice in there. Let you guys have a look. Go on. You lot have a little look inside because I know you're very nosy. You're all very nosy. So what's this? Casa de Marmaris. Casa de Marmaris. 5-star, 2, 4, 5. So this one's a long video, this one. So let me know, what's your favourite place to stay in Marmaris? Do you stay like us, nice and cheap? Or do you go all out? If I had the money, I probably would go medium, I think. If I had the money, I'd go medium. Spend a bit of money, but not too much. But yeah. What is this? Let's have a look in here. Campana. Sun Lovers Club, eh? Ah, it's going to take me down to the beach, isn't it? Sabrina's got that covered for you guys. Look at that view over there. Marmaris is like spectacular views. Casa de Marmaris with the tunes on. Guess everyone's just round by the pool chilling out. So we're looking for Infinity. It's right down there. So we're going to finish at Infinity, have a quick drink, then we're going to walk backwards and show you guys the opposite side of the road. So let's cross over so you guys can see. Oh, okay, looks very cool. Casa de Mar. Should we have a quick look? We'll poke our heads in, have a look. Why not? Gate is open. Let's have a look. Okay, so it's a very nice pool area. Very nice. Let's keep going. So you've got a few more excursions. Got Roxy's show bar. Then if you go to see Risky Roxy in Tenerife. That like cracks me up. I went to his birthday a long time ago. Had it in the rock bar. And yeah, that was a good laugh, that was. Who we sat with? It was us, Mark, and Risky Roxy's dad was with us. We all sat together, had a load of drinks. It was good fun. This place is a bit finished. But yeah, so we're stopping here at Infinity, have a drink, and head backwards. So yeah, let's finish the video. Right, yeah. So guys, yeah, thanks for watching. It's been a bit of a longer video today. And yeah, we're going to have a little beer, chill out. I'll catch you on the next one.